From today, we are going to look at how we can heal from childhood traumas. And I'm going to put along some biblical text. Some biblical text help us to connect with God, who is the healer of all illnesses and a giver of peace. He's the only one who can give us true freedom, true inner peace in our hearts. In the Gospel of Isaiah chapter 38 verse 1, then verse 9, it says, "Make friends with the doctor, for he is essential to you. My son, when you are ill, do not delay, but pray to God, for it is he who heals." Psalm 103. God is the one who pardons all your sins and heals all your illnesses. Mark chapter 2 verse 17. Those who are well have no need of a doctor, but those who are sick. You who were wounded, you who were broken. Wewe mwenye uko na trauma, you are the one who needs healing. The one who hurted you, the one who wounded you, the one who broke your heart doesn't need any healing. He is not suffering, and even he is not feeling guilty. But you, mwenye uko na trauma, you are the one who require healing. Seek for God's guidance. Human beings may fail you, but God will never fail you. The reason why I'm putting along this biblical text is to remind us that the only person who can heal, who can understand and heal our woundedness, our brokenness, or our failures and suffering is God. If we turn to Him, He is faithful to His promises. Those who hurt us do not suffer. Those who are wounded are the ones who suffer. And for that reason, they are the ones who need to strive towards seeking for healing.